Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find either the Google section or accounts and sync. It's up to you, I prefer this one, so let me tap on it. As you can see, I already have my Google account added to this device, but no worries, I will show you how to add another one, so you can see that you can have more than one Google account. So let's tap on Add Account, choose Google, and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. We have to verify ourselves. And here we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it and tap on OK or this arrow for next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so let's simply tap on it, and there you've got the info, and tap on I agree after reading. I don't want to save the password, and now we can go back and let's simply tap on this Google section. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can also remove the accounts whenever you want to. Just tap on the account, tap on more, and tap on remove account. Confirm it, and as you can see, it will immediately disappear. I will remove also this one. Okay, sometimes you will have to verify yourself, but as you can see, it will immediately disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.